Yeah, first we need a newspaper, then we go and grab scissors, stick the paper one by one, stick till the end because it's really, really fun. Reusable bags are smart compromise, road carriers, jute eco-friendly price, reduce, reuse, recycle, pick the pack, say no to plastic a harmful act. Convenience comes at a hefty price, time for a change, a sustainable device, rethink a choice to make a positively change, preserve our planet, a future exchange. Remember this rap and it will help you throughout. This is AA signing out.
Yeah.